Hello! Nandito ka na naman para matuto. Ngayong araw, pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa tectonic plate theory. Walang iisang scientist ang nag-propose ng tectonic plate theory. Ibig sabihin, contribution nito ng maraming scientist. Tulad na lamang ng continental drift theory ni Wegener, seafloor spreading ni Harry Hess, at mantle convection ni Arthur Holmes. Pinagsama-samang kanilang idea kaya na-develop ang plate tectonic theory. Ang tectonic plates ay malalaking rigid pieces ng Earth's lithosphere na slowly gumagalaw sa ibabaw ng asthenosphere. Sinasabing sa paggalaw ng tectonic plates, nagkakaroon ng geological features at events tulad ng earthquakes, volcanoes, mountain formation, ocean trenches, ridges at faults. Ano nga ba yung plate boundary? Ang plate boundary ay region where two tectonic plates meet and interact. May tatlong major types ang plate boundaries: divergent, convergent, transform. At may sarili-sarili silang movement. Unahin natin ang divergent plate boundary. Ito'y nagaganap kapag ang tectonic plates ay lumalayo sa isa't isa. Ang plates ay nagseseparate dahil may magma na umaakyat mula sa mantle at nagko-cool down para maging new crust. Common features: mid-ocean ridges, rift valleys, volcanic activity, shallow earthquakes, formation of new crust. Example nito ay Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Makikita niyo po ang simple movement, si plate A ay humiwalay kay plate B. Kapag naman nagpanggaan ang dalawang tectonic plate, tinatawag itong convergent plate boundary. One plate may be forced na mapapunta sa ilalim, ay tinatawag itong subduction. Kapag ang dalawang continental plates ay nag-collide, nagpo-form sila ng large mountain range. Common features nito ay deep ocean trenches, volcanoes, mountain ranges, strong earthquakes at subduction zone. Ang simple movement nito ay si plate A ay papunta kay plate B, nagkakaroon sila ng banggaan. May tatlong klase ng convergence. Una, oceanic continental. Yung denser, mas mabigat na oceanic plate ay nagsisink doon sa continental plates, kaya nagkakaroon ng trenches, volcanoes at earthquakes. Ang ikalawa ay oceanic. Ang isang oceanic plate ay nagsink doon sa isa pang oceanic plate, kaya nagpo-form ng trenches, volcanic island arcs. Ikatlo ay continental to continental. Yung dalawang continental ay nagkaroon ng banggaan, kaya wala sa kanilang nagsubducts. Nagkakaroon ng compression ng crust at nagpo-form tayo ng large mountain ranges o kabundukan. Ito ay transform plate boundary. A transform boundary occurs when two tectonic plates slides horizontally past each other. Ibig sabihin, nagkikiskisan yung dalawang plate boundaries. Crust is generally neither created nor destroyed. Common features niya: faults, earthquakes, fractured rocks, offset landforms. Example niya ay San Andreas Fault in California. Mapapansin nyo dun sa illustration na yung plate A lang ay kumiskis dun sa plate B o nag-slide dun sa plate B. Pag-usapan natin ang plate boundaries around the Philippines. So, ang Philippines ay located sa tectonically active region. Ibig sabihin, madalas tayong nakaka-experience ng lindol, volcanic activity, mayroon tayong trenches, may active faults tayo, at nagkakaroon tayo ng mountain formation. So, ano-ano ba yung plates or plate boundaries na meron tayo? Una dyan ay Philippine Sea Plate, Eurasian Plate, Sunda Plate, Indo-Australian Plate at Pacific Plate. The interaction among these plates produce many geological features na nabanggit natin around at saka maging sa loob ng Philippine Archipelago. So, the Philippines lies at the junction of 5 major tectonic plates. These plates interact in different ways, converging, diverging, sliding past each other. And this makes the Philippines one of the most geologically active regions in the world. At tayo rin po ay kabilang sa Pacific Ring of Fire. Let's focus on topographical evidence of plate boundaries in the Philippines. Pag sinabing topography, it refers to the shape, elevation ng Earth's surface. Unahin natin ang deep ocean trenches. The Philippines is surrounded by several deep ocean trenches formed mainly by subduction o yung pagpapailalim ng ocean plate dun sa atin pong another ocean plate. Example, Philippine Trench, Manila Trench, Negros Trench, Sulu Trench, East Luzon Trough. These features indicate areas where ocean or one tectonic plate is being forced beneath or under another. Second, we have mountain ranges. The Philippines has numerous mountain ranges katulad na lang ng Cordillera Central, Sierra Madre, and other elevated regions. Yung mountain formation ay ina-associate sa compression o pagbanggaan ng dalawang continental plates. Katlo, volcanic arcs. The Philippines contains many volcanoes because of subduction, yung paglubog ng isang tectonic plate causing melting ng mantle, producing magma na siyang tataas toward the center or the surface na magiging new crust. Example dito ay Mayon Volcano, Taal Volcano, Mount Pinatubo, Kanlaan Volcano. Yung concentration ng volcanoes provides evidence that ang Pilipinas ay talagang nasa active plate boundaries. Ika-apat, fault systems. The Philippines has major active faults caused by plate movement. Isang mahalagang example dito ay ang Philippine Fault Zone, a major fault system that extends through much of the country. Movement along faults can produce earthquakes at alam natin yan dahil nung nakaraan lang ay nakaranas tayo ng mga earthquakes. Ngayon, pumunta tayo sa geological evidence of plate boundaries. Ang nangungunang evidence ay earthquakes. Frequent earthquakes occur throughout the Philippines because of the movement along faults and plate boundaries. Ikalawang evidence, volcanoes. Napakarami nating volcanoes dito sa bansa. Ikatlo, ocean trenches. Deep trenches surrounding the Philippines indicate locations where oceanic crust is being subducted. Ika-apat, active faults. Faults such as the Philippine Fault show that Earth's crust is undergoing movement and deformation. Ikalama, folded and uplifted rocks. Yung ating mga bulubundukin o kabundukan. Kaya naman mahalaga na seryosohin natin ang pagpapractice ng earthquake drills kasi alam natin na nasa active faults tayo. Yun lamang po. Ingat!